In this video, we learn how to create two types of progress bar in Android. Create a new project and name it progress bar. Go to layout and change container to relative layout and add a progress bar control and set it to be in center and set an ID to it. And set its style to progress bar. Now go to main activity. First, get a reference of our progress bar. We want our progress bar to be invisible after 5 seconds. So we use a handler that post delayed and pass 5000 milliseconds and set visibility to invisible for our progress bar. Now run the app. This is our spinner progress bar, which will be invisible after 5 seconds. Now we want to create a horizontal progress bar. Go to our layout, add another progress bar control, set its ID, and set its style to progress bar that horizontal, and set it below our first progress bar. Add some margin start and margin end. Set its max value to 100 and its progress to 20. And we can use progress tint to set its color and add some margin tab. Now go to our main activity. Get another reference of our progress bar. And we want this progress bar progress to be updated every 50 milliseconds. So we use a countdown timer class and pass we want this countdown timer to be 5 seconds long, and we override on teach method, use the progress bar that set progress and pass our counter, which we define outside on teach method. And because of some delay, we change 50 milliseconds to 40. Now run the app. This is our two progress bars. Thank you for watching.